In this video, I'm going to be replacing the switch on the light here over our dinette table in our outdoors RV with a rotary dimmer switch. So let's get started. So this light is held on with a couple of screws there, one on each side. They're a square drive bit, so hopefully you have one of those. So I removed the two screws holding this on, and you can see we've just got a hot and a ground wire connecting the fixture. And so what we'll do is insert our dimmer switch in there. We should be able to mount the dimmer right in the same hole there where the current switch is. At this point, I just clipped off the hot and the neutral ground wires, and I'm going to be replacing these connectors anyway. I've got the lamp removed from the ceiling now. Remember, in at least most RVs, not always, white is going to be your ground and black is going to be your hot wire. Now the dimmer switch came with these nicely labeled, so I'm first, while it's down here on the table, I'm going to hook up the two output wires. In this case, red is hot and white is our ground, and so we're going to run this white ground to these guys, and the red is going to go to the black. So let's do that. I don't really like these crimp connectors so much, so we're going to lose those, and I'm going to use my little WAGO connectors instead. So let me go ahead and strip these guys down. Okay, twist those a little bit. So I'm going to need the three-way connectors for that, because we're going to have 3 wires. So I love these little flip connectors. Put that one there. That one in there. And then we want our output ground, output minus, to go in here. Like so. And then we'll do the same with the hot wires. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to make a little stand here so that I can get this up close to the ceiling. Otherwise it's kind of heavy, and I don't really want to risk having it come pulling off the ceiling there. So I used a couple boxes to raise this up higher so that it can sit here without the wires connected, and I don't have it hanging from the ceiling. So I'm going to just use a couple of these 2-connection WAGO connectors now, and we will hook our black, which is hot, is going to go to our black wire here, and then this black wire, labeled minus, is our ground. It says input minus, and it's going to go to the white wire here. Like that. And like that. So let's check it out. There we go. Bright, bright, dim, and off. Piece of cake. That one was pretty easy. Probably would only take about 10 minutes if I wasn't doing other stuff here. And so now I just need to pop it back up in the ceiling and use the 2 screws, and we'll be right back. There we go, all buttoned up. We got our little knob here, and we go bright, and we go dim, and we go off. So that should be a nice little upgrade. Hope that you found this video useful, and thanks for watching.